In a reactive world, emotional control is power. Most people think power is external, money, status, attention, influence, but real power starts somewhere else, inside, because the moment you lose control of yourself, you lose control of everything else. The reactive world. Look around carefully. Everyone is reacting to opinions, to messages, to emotions, to attention. Someone says something and the reaction begins immediately. No pause, no awareness, no control. The illusion of freedom. People think reacting freely means freedom. Saying whatever they feel, expressing every emotion, responding instantly. But that's not freedom. That's impulsiveness. Because if every emotion controls your behavior, then emotion controls you. Emotional dependence. Most people are emotionally dependent without realizing it. Their mood changes based on attention. Their energy changes based on responses. Their confidence changes based on validation. Everything external controls everything internal, and that creates instability, silence, and control. This is why silence is powerful, because silence interrupts reaction. You pause, you observe, you stop feeding every impulse, and in that pause, you regain control. Absence and value. This is also why absence changes perception. When you stop being constantly available, you stop depending on constant response. You become independent, and independence changes energy. People feel when someone no longer needs attention desperately. That calmness creates presence, respect, and boundaries. Respect is built the same way, not through force, through emotional discipline, through boundaries, consistency, self-control. Because people adjust based on what you tolerate, and emotional control defines what you allow. The real battle. The real battle is not external. It is internal. Can you stay calm when triggered? Can you stay silent when emotional? Can you step back instead of chasing? Most people cannot, because their emotions decide for them. The identity shift. At some point, everything changes. You stop reacting instantly. You stop proving yourself constantly. You stop seeking attention everywhere. And slowly you become stable, not emotionless, controlled. The AME.X perspective. Within the AME.X mindset, emotions are not enemies, but they are not leaders either. You feel emotion, but you don't surrender to it. You observe it, control it, choose your response carefully, and that choice creates power. The final shift. When you master emotional control. You stop needing external stability because your stability becomes internal. And once that happens, people respond to you differently, not because you forced respect, because your presence changed. Remember something simple. Anyone can react. Very few can remain in control. And in a reactive world, the difference becomes power. If you are building emotional control in a reactive world, stay here. This channel is for thinkers. Control your emotions, or they will control you.